This video explains the process and cycling times of adhesives and sealants. During bonding, the open time is crucial. This simulation shows how an adhesive remains bondable as long as no skin has formed. If too much time passes, skinning occurs, preventing proper adhesion. For sealants in open joints, tooling must be done before skinning. Always tool while workable. And remove masking tape promptly. Once skinned, further processing isn't possible, even if the core remains uncured. Two-component adhesives cure uniformly without skinning. Bond within the open time, but wait for full curing before handling. Once the adhesive is fully cured, further processing is allowed.